Good afternoon, March 19th, 2015. Time to wrap it up for the E-mini. We came in this morning as sellers. We knew there was pretty good resistance at 2095, 2100. Maybe resistance was at 2890, and we wanted to be a seller first to see if we could find where support was. We had two places for support. The 85 area, then we dropped it down to 75, 77, and we did hit our low numbers. So there was some really good trading before the market opened, probably the easiest trading of the day. Right through here, software gave off a couple of good signals, but we started the day session with a retest failure or an S trade right here. It gave you 1 to 2 points. Market came back up. We got a software generated trade with that S. We got short. We lost 2 points on that. That was a loser. Market comes up, goes through the mean green line, then comes back down through it. So now we get a mean green trade here, and we made our minimum or expected 3. Could have made 6 if we'd stayed with the trade and traded it perfectly. Nice retest failure here off the low. We retest this low over here, and that yields 1 to 2 points. Another retest failure over this little 4-bar topping pattern that gave us the expected 3. Could have gotten 7 out of it if we traded it perfectly. Software generated trade off the B, scratch. A S generated trade off the software, a loser for 2 points. A retest failure trade that gave us 1 to 2 points. Another retest failure trade off the bottom that gave us the expected 3 to as many as 7. A trade here off this S that turns that was a scratch, or you could have lost 2 depending on how you play it. Then we get a mean green trade that fits everything to the specs, and you made 3 to 4. So that's where we threw in the towel. We had a total of 11 trades, or you could have traded up to 11, but no one takes every trade, depending on the trade that you had on just before it. But we do show you every trade as possible. You had 3 losers. You lost 6 points. You grossed 15. That gave you a net of 9 points. We've had better days in the E-mini, but it's been really tough trading this week. The FOMC meeting, 4 5-point moves, no follow-through. Very, very choppy, volumes lower than normal. Hopefully that changes tomorrow and next week. Tomorrow's triple witching hour, we might get a better day out of the E-mini. If you'd like to know more about us, come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get an overview of our software and our trading methodologies. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room. We trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, we wish you good trading.